So, let's talk about the basic commands for the file system. As we all know, to find a file we use the locate command, but the locate command has its own drawbacks. Because the log file of the database that the locate command uses is updated once every single day. And if you have just created a file and want to locate it anyhow, then you have to wait for one single day to get your file updated in the log file of the database so that the locate command can find it. It means that if you have created a file today, then you can use the locate command to find it after 24 hours. So instead, we use the which and the whereis commands. If you are searching for a binary file, then you should try the whereis command, because the command will return you not only with the source directory but also the manual page of the binary file if it exists. Let's check the example. In case you are wondering what a binary file is, it is similar to the .exe file in the Windows operating system. Now to advance your search, you can use the find command. The syntax is displayed on the screen. So the find command is used when you need to search a specific file or a binary in a specific directory. So we write a file, then slash, then the directory name. We can leave it blank if we want to search the whole system. Then the type of the file, which we can give F for the file type, and then we have to mention the name of the file. Always give the sudo command, because then it won't be able to search for the file in the directory or the whole system if the file has root privileges. Let's check. Now we'll move to the next command, that is cat. I know that you know this command, it's used for viewing files. What's so new about this? But there's more. You can use it to write small scripts and also append new lines to the old scripts or the old files using the cat command. Now it's time for the bonus content. So these search shortcuts will help you advance your skills a lot. So as you can see, there are 4 files: bat, cat, hat and what. So we'll perform a search on them. So we wrote the command whereis $80. So it gives back bat, cat, hat, but not what. Why? Because the question mark defines the command to search for a string ending with 80 and preceded by only any one character. So it finds cat, bat and hat, but not what, because it has 2 characters before 80, W and H. Now if you write star a question mark, it finds all the files, because star represents any number of characters and the question mark represents only one character after a. Now if you write bracket c comma b bracket close 80, then you are referring to a search string ending with 80 and preceded by C and B. That's why hat and what are not present in the search. you will get cat and bat all